Dymax CTH catheter bonding adhesives are single component, have no solvents added, and cure with UV visible light in seconds. They are designed for the unique assembly challenges associated with today's newest catheter materials. As the trend for minimally invasive surgery grows, the catheters to support them have become increasingly complex. A single catheter can include multiple types of plastics and metals and have over 20+ bonds. Dymax adhesives are ideal for these new complex designs, as well as a variety of catheter applications, including tube joining, lumen sealing, balloon bonding, guidewire assembly, sensor attachment, and bonding marker bands. For manufacturers assembling endoscopes and positioning lenses, a one-part cationic epoxy is available. The material features very low shrinkage, as well as flexible curing options, utilizing light-only, heat-only, or a combination of the two to rapidly assemble multiple substrates used in these devices. These products meet a variety of biocompatibility standards, are ISO 10993 approved, and compatible with gamma, ETO, and E-beam sterilization, important criteria that manufacturers consider when designing their medical devices. Along with their environmentally friendly attributes, CTH adhesives also feature cutting-edge technologies that make cure confirmation and quality inspection easy. These include C-Cure, ultra-red fluorescing, and Encompass. The materials come in a range of viscosities, from thixotropic to high-flowing for high-speed automated dispense onto components. After the catheter components are assembled, they are moved on to the curing process. The parts are exposed to UV visible light in seconds, and after full cure, are immediately ready for quality inspection. For easy inline post-cure visual inspection, the materials feature blue or ultra-red fluorescing technology. After inspection, the parts are immediately ready to be packaged and shipped. The fast cure, cutting-edge technologies, and environmentally friendly features of Dymax adhesives help manufacturers reduce waste, increase throughput, and improve their bottom line. To learn more about our CTH adhesives for catheter assembly, contact the Dymax Application Engineering team.